They small.
Okay, we in IKEA, and they got their restaurant there. So people are sitting down eating. The little desk set up, gaming. Feed a family of 4. Yep. Okay guys, we're just showing you a little short snip of IKEA located here in Huntsville.
That's a perfect size seat for you.
Let's go over here in this area. And this is IKEA. I have never stepped foot in IKEA, so I got a chance today to come and see what's going on with IKEA. I like that. That's cute. That's not bad for this. That's nice. I couldn't follow you because you was in your back of you was showing. Let's keep moving.
I didn't go to the doctor.
Living room. Wow, wow. IKEA. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I make videos like this often. You can also go over on my YouTube channel. I'm sorry, my Facebook page, and see some of this as well. Okay, so I'm going to switch over and record some for Facebook. Bye-bye. Merry Precious decorations and more.